Credit card debts, the looming specter haunting your financial health. Are these the most common type of charge-offs? Absolutely. Understanding why can be the first step towards effective financial management. The reason why credit card debts often transform into charge-offs is that they're typically unsecured. This means there's no collateral to back up the loan. When payments are missed for 6 months or more, this causes creditors to charge off the debt, portraying it as a loss in their accounting books. Beware, though, this doesn't absolve you of your obligation. The debt is usually transferred to a collection agency. Interest and fees may continue to pile up, making your financial situation even more daunting. The typical culprits? High interest rates and the convenience of making just the minimum payments, an equation leading to larger balances and an increasing financial strain over time. When unforeseen expenses or sudden changes in income come into play, the struggle can be overwhelming. Fear not, there's a solution. Managing your credit card debt proactively. Concoct a plan to pay beyond the minimum payment. Target your high-interest debts. And, if needed, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Taking these steps can nip your debts from blossoming into charge-offs, safeguarding your credit score and financial future. Are you grappling with credit card debt and need steerage on how to circumvent charge-offs? Don't suffer in silence. Connect with a professional today. Your financial well-being is worth every measure of effort. Choose Dispute Panda.